Hey guys, I'm back with the final test pours for Cell Activator recipe number 4. Today I'm going to show you 4 different acrylic bloom pours on tiles. I have 2 swipes and 2 blowouts for you to see. The colors that I'm using today will be listed in the description. No super complicated mixes today, but there is some mica mixed with a couple of them. I'm using Cell Activator number 4 from the Showdown. If you missed the video that got all this started, I'll leave a link below so you can get caught up. Today's Cell Activator recipe is 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part Lucas Krill pouring medium, half a part of GAC 800, and 7 drops of Minwax pre-stain. I have that mixed with some Amsterdam titanium white. We're nearing the end of this journey. I have the results from one more recipe to share with you guys. For the final video of this series, I will give you all a side-by-side of each cell activator. Each recipe has produced slightly different cell patterns. Being able to see them next to each other will give you guys a better look. I'm keeping it quick for me today, so if you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe. I'll be back soon with another recipe to share with you guys. Where will we go from there? Who knows? I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.